What's up, you guys? My name is Carson Rouse, and welcome back to Business Buzz, where we focus on business, entrepreneurship, and investing. Today, I'm going to be going through 3 ways that you can make $30 a day online. I've made tons of videos like this in the past, but specifically today, we're going to be focusing on online ways to make money. Ways that you can make money on your smartphone, your laptop, your tablet, or basically anything with an internet connection. And you might be scoffing at $30 a day, but that's an extra $11,000 a year in supplemental income. That's money you could be putting in your savings accounts, your investing accounts, or you could just save up for a nice vacation or a whole bunch of Arnold Palmers, which I am not affiliated with, but they taste fantastic.
The only people who don't like
Arnold Palmer
have never tasted one.
All 3 of the ideas I'll be talking about today have the potential to become a passive form of income, or at least close to a true passive form of income, where if you work hard enough and you build up your business large enough, you won't be having to do much work and you'll be making money in your sleep. And for that, I would love a big like on this video. Number 1, sell on Amazon and eBay. So this one's kind of a no-brainer, and it's not a very difficult one, and I'm sure you've heard many people talking about it. I've made videos all about this, and I actually did this at one point in time and made some money. So I know this is pretty obvious, but your first step in this process is obviously going to be creating your eBay and Amazon seller accounts and a PayPal account to go along with it. This really doesn't take too long to do, but hold on. Before you go down to your basements and start ravaging through old gadgets and antiques that you think you can sell, I would just stop it right there. That is not a sustainable way of making $30 a day online. There's a much better strategic way to sell items that you don't even own or that you own for a very short amount of time. My personal favorite method is to go into a store like a Goodwill or really any other secondhand type store and look for items that are cheap but look like they could still hold some pretty good value. Then you're going to get out your eBay or Amazon apps and use the barcode to scan that item. If it's selling for a much higher price on eBay or Amazon, you can then buy that item and flip it on the platform.
It's free real estate.
But it's not quite that easy, okay? Nothing in this world is that easy. It's not like if you go into a store and find an item for $10 and it's selling on Amazon for $15, then boom, you made a $5 profit. That's just not how it works. Both Amazon and eBay can have pretty steep fees, and you're also going to have to pay for shipping most of the time. Luckily, there are websites that can actually calculate the fees for you and determine how much of a profit you can expect to make after everything that is considered. So I got my handy dandy piece of technology right here. Let's figure something out real quick. Also, I'll be leaving this as a link in the description. This is for eBay, okay? So let's say you go into a store and purchase an item for $20, and then you turn around and you sell that item on eBay for $50 and you spend $5 on shipping. Your total profit after everything considered will be about $17.43. After eBay takes their cut, after PayPal takes their cut, after the Postal Service takes their cut, after all it's said and done, you'll make around $17, which isn't mind-blowing, but it's still good money if you can do it on a consistent basis. So you might be wondering, well, how do I know if my item is actually going to sell? Well, the short answer is you don't, okay? You never actually know for 100% certainty if your item is going to sell, but you can hugely increase those odds if you simply, after scanning the barcode, you filter the item by item sold. So you see what that item has been selling for and how often it's been selling. If it's been selling for a really high price a lot of times, then you're probably safe to buy that item. However, if it's just listed at really high prices but nobody's buying it, it's best to stay away for the most part. Number 2, affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing is probably the longest, hardest process to make $30 a day through. It can be super grueling, and you might never succeed in affiliate marketing because you really do have to build quite an audience for it. However, the people who do succeed in it can make huge money, like stupid money.
What I call them? Fun coupons.
Okay, so this is a pretty high risk, high reward way of making $30 a day online, and you could end up making a heck of a lot more than that. My recommendation is to start a blog using WordPress. I know, starting a blog, that's so like 2008, right? But a lot of people still get their news and information from blogs and articles on those blogs, so don't hate it. What's key though is to make your blog centered around a very niche topic. You don't want to start a blog talking about the NFL because there's probably already a million blogs out there and you're going to probably get crushed by your competition. You've got some chance of succeeding, but probably not. So pick something very niche like, I don't know, iced tea lovers or something about coffee makers, a place where fanatics of one certain thing can go and spend their time. It's also vital to understand the basics of SEO, which is search engine optimization, and it's all about getting your website and your articles at the top of the Google search results over your competition. Moz.com is a great website I learned to learn about the basics of SEO. And just like Arnold Palmer, I'm not affiliated with Moz.com or anything in this video, okay? I don't have enough subscribers for that. Also, if you're using something like WordPress, you can then install a plugin like Yoast SEO that will basically help you with your SEO and search engine optimization. You can also use different SEO tools to find great popular long tail keywords to really get your articles out in the spotlight, which will help your blog really grow an audience and in turn make you more money. You might be asking, well, how do I make money? Well, this is where the affiliate parts come in. You then sign up with an affiliate program. A great one is the Amazon affiliate program.
Hell yes.
Where basically you get special URLs to put in your articles, websites, descriptions, whatever it may be. And when people click on those links, you get a certain percentage of what Amazon makes on those purchases. Believe it or not, let's say you have a coffee maker blog and somebody clicks on a link you put down for a great new coffee maker, but they don't buy it. You can still make money. That's right. If somebody clicks on one of your Amazon affiliate links and purchases anything from Amazon in the next 24 hours, you can make commission off of it. Obviously though, depending on the topic of your blog and the topic of the URLs you're putting down, you can make different amounts of money. Just like YouTube, different topics make different amounts of money. And like I mentioned before, some people have really scaled this business and make thousands of dollars a day doing so. And it doesn't have to be a blog. It can be a YouTube channel, an Instagram page, any really type of online presence where you can put links or anything like that to make money. You're in the green. Number 3, ad revenue. So this is kind of piggybacking off the other idea of making a blog, but this is just a whole different way or another way to monetize that blog or again, any form of online presence. In this potential $30 a day money-making method, your basic goals are the same as it was with affiliate marketing. You want a ton of traffic, as much traffic as you can get, and it's probably going to help you to niche down. However, niching down with ad revenue isn't quite as important as it is with affiliate marketing. However, your chances of getting a bigger audience are still higher. You can use popular services like Google AdSense to put ads on your web page or your YouTube videos or anything like that. And every time that ad gets a click, you get paid money. Again, this idea can be used in conjunction with the affiliate marketing idea. If you build a big enough presence online, there's really no limit on the ways that you can make money. And that's one of the most monetizable things that you can do online is just having a big audience. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys took even a lick of value from this video, make sure to go down and leave a big old like and subscribe to BusinessBuzz for more business ideas, personal finance teachings, and investment opportunities. All right, check out the channel. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.